This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Marina del Rey, here to talk to you about neck lift surgery. It's one of my favorite operations to do. What is a neck lift? Well, it's addressing this area of the face and neck. Typically bands can arrive down in this area, crepiness in this skin, sometimes a double chin or fullness in this area. A neck lift is distinct from a facelift. A facelift typically involves the jowls, the cheeks. In this area, it's a little bit higher up. The two blend together. It's kind of a gray zone where many patients will do a face and a neck lift, and other patients who have primarily aging down in this area will define it as just a neck lift. A neck lift frequently will involve a little incision underneath the chin here. That allows me to clean out any extra fat, if that's the case, and to identify these muscle bands on the inside and sew them together like a corset on the inside to give the patient much better tightness and definition of their neck. The second important component of neck lift surgery are incisions that are very well disguised right around the ears back here, especially in back of the ears. That allows me to undermine and advance that skin, as well as tighten and undermine the muscles in that area to give a beautiful result where we're able to remove the excess skin in that area. This is a procedure where there are wildly different results between surgeons. I invite you to browse the hundreds of beautiful before and after pictures on my photo gallery of my cases to see examples of my work. Subtleties matter a lot. Getting a natural appearing result with a significant improvement for patients is a very high priority for me. And if you are a candidate for this procedure, I'm excited for you because it can make a huge difference. It's also frequently combined with other procedures such as laser resurfacing to address fine lines and wrinkles in other areas of the face, as well as eyelid surgery. Obviously, this surgery needs to be customized based on a particular patient's needs and desires. I invite you to call my office or email in for a consultation. I look forward to meeting you in person to discuss your best options. This is Dr. David Stoker talking to you from Marina del Rey, California.